National Youth Representative Jamoon Lyle scored twice and provided an assist as Waterhouse came from behind to beat Ballaz Academy 3-1 in the latest set of games from the KFC Under-18 Elite Cup at the Waterhouse Stadium. Kyle Hussey sent Ballaz Academy in front with a long-range effort in the 31st minute. However, Lyle restored parity for Waterhouse when he converted a free kick in the 59th minute of play. He then got his second and Waterhouse's third in the form of a well-worked set piece in the 62nd minute. And he turned provider to another National Youth Representative, Dwayne Berger, in the 66th minute to wrap up the victory. Over at Jarrett Park, Montego Bay United had only their second point of the campaign. They managed to hold the defending champions and leaders Mount Pleasant Academy to a 1-1 draw. In the late game at the compound, home team Harbourview beat Kingston Football Academy 1-0 to move to second on the table.